Guys, looks like we found another one with a combination lock. Oh, that's too wild. These ones are pretty cool. All right, guys. See if I can get this here. Oh yeah, I caught it too. All right, guys. Sweet. This is a pretty cool series. I'm enjoying this series. Thank you to the creator. Reno! Ruff, ruff, ruff. Let's see here. All right, put this guy back in here. Oop. He just slips in there like that, and put the combination back on him, and seal it up for the next dude. Sweet. All right, guys. Oh, dang it. All right, I'm off to the next one.